Hi everyone, Mr. O'Toole here from Ascot Road Community School. Today's learning objective is we're going to be learning how to count in multiples of 2, 5 and 10. Okay, the game we have got called today is One More Step. Before we go into that game, I have a little starter activity for you to do. What we're going to do, we're going to count in multiples of 2 from 0 all the way up to the number 24, and then we're going to work our way back down from number 24 in multiples of 2 all the way to 0. So I'm going to show you just how you do it, and you're going to finish it off for me. So if you have a look at this next video, and I'll show you how to do it. So the starter activity, we're going to count in multiples of 2 up to the number 24. So I'm going to start off with you. So we're going to start 0, which is our first number. Okay, so we're going to go up in 2. So 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, that's as far as we're going to go. You need to go and find the rest of them up to the number 24. So as you can see, there's a pattern. So plus 2 equals 2, plus another 2 equals 4, plus another 2 equals 6, and you have to follow that pattern all the way up to the number 24. Let's see how you get on with that. Found that starter task. Okay, we're going to use that starter activity now to help us with the main game, which is called One More Step. So for this game, One More Step, you need a small space, either in home or outside. Yeah, make sure it's safe. Small space, doesn't matter how big or small it is, make sure you have some space to move around in. Once you've found your space, you need to make some number cards. So you need number card number 2. You need a number 5, and you need a number 10. All right, so we're going to use these cards. What you're going to have to do is you're going to lie these flat out, facing downwards, so you can't see which number you're choosing. You're going to choose one number. Once you've chosen that number, you're going to go in multiples of that number. So if you choose the number 2, you're going to go up in multiples of 2 to the number 24. Okay, if you choose the number 5, you're going to go multiples of 5 up to the number 60. And if you choose the number 10, you're going to go up in multiples of 10 up to the number 100. Okay, but you're not just going to stand there and count. Okay, you can either march, hop, jump, whatever you feel like you want to do. You can make a little trail at home as well. So instead of just hopping, bouncing, jumping on the spot, you can move around your small space to make a little trail, a little maze, instead of just standing there. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, and then you just watch and then you follow. 3 number cards here. Okay, I'm not looking at them, so I've got 2, 5 and 10. Okay, I'm just going to move them around, I'm not looking. I'm going to choose one. Okay, which one did I choose? I chose the number 10. Okay, so I'm going to go in multiples of 10. Okay, so I'm going to choose hopping on the bounce. Okay, I'm just standing still. Like I said, you can do whatever type of movement you want to do. You can even do a little exercise. You could do star jumps, anything that you feel you want to do, just give it a go. So we're going to count in multiples of 10 up to 100 whilst on the bounce. So off we go. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I've gone up to 100. What I might do to challenge myself is I might go down in multiples of 10 from 100 all the way to 0. So I'm going to go 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Okay, there you go. There's an example of how you do it. So I've done 10. You choose a random number out of those playing cards. Once you've done that, maybe do the other 2. So try all 3 of them and see how you get on. Okay, good luck.